Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC compressor clutch fuse is located on this 2011 Dodge Journey. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So the first thing we need to do is pop our hood. Right here is our under the hood fuse box. So we're going to lift on this tab and this tab. And then on the back here is a diagram to tell you what things are. So we are looking for this 10 amp fuse right here. This is the 10 amp fuse. This is for your AC compressor clutch right here. I will have some of these fuses linked down below because these aren't a standard mini fuse. I'll have these linked down below where you can get these online. But this is for your AC right here, this 10 amp fuse. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.